let me show you how to clean your coffee grinder with grinder tablets. First, we're going to add about 40 grams of tablets into a cup. Throw it into your hopper with the chute closed. Get your portafilter ready, turn your grinder on, and then open the chute of your grinder. And now simply let the grinder do its thing. Continue to grind out all the remaining grinder tablets. The tablets help to remove any residue oils or particles in the grind chamber. Once there's nothing left, be sure to give your grinder a good clean. And don't forget to season with a couple of shots as you dial in the next morning.